Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Flip Mattress Topper from Coop Home Goods. Now I've reviewed a lot of mattress toppers. What I really like about this one is actually it has two different firmnesses built in. So one side is soft, the other side is a little bit firmer. The reason I like that, of course, is that there's just a better chance you're going to get the right firmness the first time you buy it. Additionally, I tend to use a mattress topper when I have guests over. And allowing your guests to really dial in their own firmness means they're going to sleep better and everybody's going to wake up just a little bit happier the next day. Chances are you're going to want to keep those guests around at your house too. So this mattress topper is just the perfect solution for that. In addition, you also get the Coop Mattress Protector. We've reviewed that in the past. It's waterproof, just as it claims. It's also breathable and stretchable, and that's going to allow you to get the full feel of the topper underneath. Now on top of this, there's also some bands along each corner of the topper, and that's going to allow it to latch on underneath to your mattress so it doesn't slip or shift throughout the night. That's usually a common problem with mattress toppers, is they float on top of your mattress and they can shift around enough where it almost feels like you're going to roll off the bed because the topper is not square to the mattress underneath. So having those bands is just going to keep it in place. The foam itself is also Serta Pure certified, so it's gone through a certification that it's free of any heavy metals or other toxic chemicals. So when you roll it on your mattress, rest assured you can sleep on it right away. Now I normally recommend mattress toppers for people that have a structurally sound mattress. By that I mean there's no substantial dips or divots. It's still giving you support, but you may find that you're just not getting the pressure relief that you used to in the past. So rather than investing $800 to $1,000 in a new mattress, why not go with something like the Coop topper, where you would only spend about $270 and you get added pressure relief and you get new life out of an otherwise great mattress. So if you want to get more information on this mattress topper, head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We've got the latest discounts, and we'll just give you a little bit more information to make sure that this is the right mattress topper for you.